Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'll be discussing about basic things about data types in Python, and we'll try to explore each one of them in very detail, right? So the very first thing I wanted to tell you is that data type is very important in programming, and there are so many classifications to determine the type of data and definition as it sounds. So what is the definition of data type? So, as the name suggests, data type. That means there are different type of data are available. So, data type is the classification of data items in Python programming language. Okay, so basically we have divided data into categories based on the type, right? So this helps. So the different data types has different functionalities of it, and we have so many data types in Python, starting from integer, float, complex number, string, boolean, bytes, byte array, list, tuple, frozen set, range, and many more, right? So these are the 14 data types which we have in Python, and we need to know more about this. Okay, so we'll be talking each of these categories in detail. So we have these many type of data types in Python, and we need to understand each one of them very carefully, because data type is very important in any programming language, either it is Python, Java, C++, or any scripting language you must be knowing or you have knowledge about this. So, okay, for the introductory part of the data type, this is all for now, and keep subscribing for the categorized video of data types in detail. Till then, stay safe and be happy.